Health is wealth is a well known saying that we people are hearing since ages. So, health is the best thing, and we should maintain our health. So, with this quote, we are going to start our lesson number 12, that is health and hygiene. Good hygiene and health habits are a key to good health. So, good health habits and good hygienes they help us to keep a good health. And in such tough times of coronavirus, we must follow all the instructions regarding health and hygiene. So, let us focus on this lesson and learn how we can keep ourselves safe, how we can protect ourselves during these virus times, and how we can keep our health also. Do you brush twice a day? Obviously, you must be brushing twice a day. We all do it because brushing twice a day keep our mouth and teeth clean. When we brush our teeth twice a day, we keep our mouth and teeth clear, properly clean. So let us know more about health and hygiene in this lesson. Sulabh International is an Indian based social service organization which works to promote human rights, environmental sanitation, and waste management. So, this organization is working for environmental sanitization and proper management of the waste. The organization counts 50,000 volunteers, means 50,000 members who have chosen this profession by their choice, by their freedom, that they are working for this on their own. They like to work there. They are not forced to work there. They are the volunteers. Since 2011, Sulabh has been building toilets all around the India. It was founded in 1970 by Dr. Bindeshwar Pathak from Bihar. So he is the person who started this noble cause to maintain proper hygiene all around, to keep the environment clean, healthy, and safe for all of us. So he founded this organization in the year 1970. So let us see what are the areas when we need to be clean, where we need to put efforts, and what we can do and what we should do. Firstly, we will discuss about the dental hygiene. That is one of the most important hygiene because teeth are something that are useful for us till a lifetime. For a lifetime, we need teeth. Dental hygiene or oral hygiene is the practice of keeping the mouth, teeth, and breath clean. So, we should brush our teeth daily. This helps in removing this dental plaque and tartar. When we eat something, then some things they are attached to our teeth, and we should remove them by brushing the teeth properly because these plaque, they what can they do, they can create gum diseases and they can lead to tooth decay in a long run. If we are careless about brushing our teeth, it can lead to tooth decay. Next is personal hygiene. The personal hygiene involves creating and maintaining a daily grooming practice to help diminish the negative effect of germs, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and everything else. So, some practices need to be done daily, some things need to be practiced daily, and let us know what these things are. Firstly, hand washing. All day long, our hands are in contact with different objects around us, and each thing that we touch can be covered in a multitude of germs. And these germs get transmitted in our body through mouth, nose, or eyes. So, in order to avoid these germs, we should wash our hands with soap at regular intervals before taking meals, after sneezing, after coughing, and nowadays we should wash our hands after every 30 minutes because the coronavirus outbreak is there, so we have to maintain hygiene. So we need to wash our hands with any soap after every 30 minutes. Next is hair washing. We should wash our hair regularly to avoid dandruff. Head lice grows in dirty hair. You must have learnt about the lice. They grow in the hair, but they grow in the dirty hair only. Keeping the hair clean and combed can prevent growth of lice. So if we maintain proper hygiene of our hair by washing them properly, by cleaning them, then we can avoid so many germs and head lice also. If you are being careless about the head lice, they can cause serious problems in our body. So maintain a habit of hand washing and hair washing, because nowadays we need to wash our hands. I would not recommend sanitizer everywhere every time. It is needed when we go outside. Sanitizer is needed. Proper sanitation is needed. But when we are at home, then we should prefer washing hands with